If you are dairy-free and looking for a healthy option for alternative milk recipes you can make right at home, then you are in luck this morning. Executive Chef Chris Martin of Hempful Farms Cafe. He's here to show us how simple it is to make hemp milk. Good to have you back.
Good to see you. I feel like Norm off Cheers.
That's right. That's right. Before we start, though, in the recipe, how beneficial is hemp in our recipes each and every day?
Well, just from the phytonutrient side and the omega-3, 6s, and 9s and protein level, we should have it in some portion of our diet every single day.
And you know, a lot of people, say, well, what is hemp? How do you use this in recipes?
Hemp is so underestimated and even undereducated about, honestly, with the levels of protein in it and omegas. You should have it in breakfast, lunch, dinner, even on a snack level. We do protein bars with it. The milk's my favorite because of IBS issues. I have Crohn's. Dairy is just not a very good product to put into your diet when you have a Crohn or an IBS issue. So with this being non-dairy, and you can flavor it. The best part about this recipe is, say, hemp's just not your favorite flavor. Break up a couple strawberries or bananas and throw it in there, so you're really in control of your own destiny with your milk.
When it comes to milk, you can add in those even in regular milk. You add in those stirred chocolate or strawberry. All right, so let's put this recipe together because you were telling me you don't even have to refrigerate it, which is really nice.
No, this is a simple one. Typically, when you make this recipe, you'll want to strain it because it is pretty thick. But because I'm going to make a muffin with this, typically in my morning, especially at the cafe, I like to keep that pulp in there. I like to keep that protein in there from the whole seed. So,
and we're going to do that muffin recipe next. So
that's right.
That's good.
Makes it simple. I try to work smart, not hard.
There you go.
So we're going to start with 2 cups of spring water. And now you can use alkaline water. You can use whatever kind of water you really like. I use the spring water. It's just a lot fresher, more organic. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil.
And coconut oil is typically, people might be looking like, that's not coconut oil, because typically it's in a solid when you buy it.
Absolutely. I use this as a food grade, so that way I can cook with it. I can add it into my
And you said
drinks.
It's so easy.
Really easy. I like this one because it's 5 ingredients. So we're talking the oil, the water, the seed, about a 1.5 cup of seed. We've had it pre-measured out already, so just like that.
Can we buy it like this in the cafe?
You can buy those at the cafe by that size or even by the pound. So we try to help you on the seed side.
And what was that, salt?
That is a pinch of sea salt and then a little bit of agave syrup, just like a tablespoon of agave syrup to sweeten it a little bit. And you can, like I said, once again, you're in control of that. You can add honey. You can use some other sweeteners that you might like. I just throw it in my trusty Dusty Ninja.
Okay.
That's it. 2 minutes is the best. 2 minutes is the best result. Breaks everything up, and then you'll want to, if you're going to take it and drink it or pour it over a cereal, a lot of times people like to strain it. Like I said, typically I don't. I like to mix it.
So you don't like to strain it then?
Not when I'm baking with it. I want all those ingredients and all those nutrients and everything that's in there going into my bake.
So once we have, put all the ingredients together, you said we don't have to put it in the fridge, but we could.
You could, yeah. I mean, typically we like that cold milk flavor on our palate. So yeah, you can definitely refrigerate it, but you don't have to.
And you put this on cereal. You put this into whatever you're eating.
All my baked goods, my cinnamon rolls, my muffins, my cookies, my biscuits and gravy. This is what we use as the gravy base at our cafe, so we don't have dairy.
And you sell all of these items right there, because I'm sure you get customers probably daily who have no idea about this hemp craze.
We do, and actually my 13-year-old son is helping me. We have a catering company that we run out of the cafe, and tomorrow we have our catering job where he comes and helps. So it welcomes some of the younger crowd to come in and try it and want to get educated on it when they see a little blonde-haired kid running around teaching people about hemp protein.
That's sweet. And I know you suffered with Crohn's. What else are you using hemp for? What other health benefits?
Well, honestly, I was type 2 diabetes 5 years ago. I was on metformin. I had blood pressure issues. I took a lot of meds because of some issues that were my fault because of intake. Putting the wrong things in my body, not taking care of myself. But I've gotten control of that with hemp. So hemp has been one of the main assets in my life to help me get those things under control. I no longer take any type of narcotic for any of those ailments now.
There you go. So you're feeling good.
I am.
Feeling good. Okay, so we're going to not drain this because we got to use it in our next muffin recipe. All right, let's get you out there to Hempful Farms Cafe. First, I want to give you a special offer. If you mention Sonoran Living, you're going to get 15% off of your check. They're located at 1756 506 West Bell Road in Phoenix. Give them a call today, 602-368-6922. Also visit their website, hempfulfarmscafe.com.